Hi, in this video I will show you how to use guest mode on Android. So there are actually some Android phones that do not have guest modes, but the best way to check if your actual phone have it is to head over to your settings. You can just search for guest mode or search for clone or search for alternate and you should be able to find it. In my case, it's actually under the system and updates. And then in here we have the device clone. So click on it. So in here you can actually easily transfer it to your new device. So click on the disagree and you can input if your device is a new device as well as old device. From in there you can also choose backup and restore and enable your developer options in order to actually enable a guest mode or also use an alternate system within itself. So that's how you use guest mode on Android. Hope we help.